but we try. Sometimes our happiness.
Once again, a big round of applause to the proud father of our celebrant, none other than Mr. Albert.
Bring back memories, October 25, 2006. Naalala ko pa, kala namin ni Mami magpapacheck up lang siya noon. Yun pala gusto mo lang lumabas. Nasa tiyan ka pa lang matigas na ulo mo. First, we saw you sa nursery room. We were captivated by your eyes. And in reality, I had absolutely no idea kung anong gagawin ko. Basta all I know is my life would never be the same again. Years passed growing up. Di naging madali para sa amin ni Mami. And especially sa'yo. Kasi almost every month, nag-check-in tayo sa hospital. Until you turn 6, munti ka na kunin sa amin ni Lord. That is the last time na naging malala yung atake mo. Kaya for those people na di alam kung bakit overprotective kami sa'yo, kasi munti ka na kunin sa amin agad. And naalala ko pa yung quote na sabi ko, pagalingin nyo lang po si Abby. Gagawin ko lahat ng makakaya ko to give you everything. To give you what you deserve. Believe it or not, God is good. Dahil pinagaling ka niya, and now look at you. You became a wonderful human being. I know Daddy's not perfect. I fail. I commit mistakes. Sometimes mahirap ako pakisamahan. Pero kahit ganito ako, I really do love you. Ikaw, si Mami, si Yanika, and si Jessie. And lahat kakayanin ko to give you, not perfect, but comfortable
Once
life.
again, make some noise to our celebrant daddy, Mr. Albert Mabunga Jr.